Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to turn off permission that no one can share your post to their story, because sometimes you have shared a post on your Facebook application and you have tagged some friend, and that friend you have tagged, they can share your post to their stories. So in this video you can turn off permission that no one can share your post to their stories. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Facebook application. So after opening the Facebook application, so you can see three lines on the top right corner. So after this, click on setting and privacy. So when you will click on setting and privacy, click on setting. So in setting, so find audience and visibility. So here you can see audience and visibility. So in audience and visibility, so you can see profile and tagging option. So click on profile and tagging. So when you will click on it, here you can see allow other to share your post to their stories. So you can see here, if you create a public post, anyone can, Facebook can share it to their stories. If you tag someone in any post, you can they can share it to their stories. Their story will be include your full name and a link to your post, and will be visible for 24 hours. They can control who see it. So guys, if you want to turn it off, so you can see there is option, so click on it. So guys, in this way you can turn off permission that no one can share your post to their stories, even you have mentioned anyone to your post. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.